Your Excellency, President William Samoei Ruto, the Chancellor of Raila University, Mzee Daniel Gachukia and Mama Eda Gachukia, ladies and gentlemen, I know people want to know why I'm here. I want to begin by saying that I'm coming here as a friend and also a relative of Gachukia's. My daughter-in-law, Yvonne, I don't know if she's around, is a foster child to the Gachukias. Junior, Junior is around. Yes. This Junior is the son-in-law to Gachukias. And I'm therefore very happy to be here. And I want to begin by congratulating the Gachukias for this tremendous achievement. This has shown what you can call real foresight and dedication and hard work, reach where they have reached here. Higher education is something that has been expanding in our country. Now I think it's almost exponentially. In the past, when I came back to this country, we had only the University College of Nairobi, which was then a constituent college of the Makerere University, or University of East Africa, as it were. There was then another campus in Dar es Salaam, which was teaching law. University of Nairobi was teaching only engineering. Then, thereafter, University College of Nairobi was elevated to a full university, the charter in 1970. But from there up to today, the growth has been exponential. Today we have nearly over 40 public universities in our country, and so many private universities. This provides opportunity for our people to achieve higher education. But to move from a primary school, Raila school, as you've seen this story, up to a fully fledged university, it's a tremendous achievement. And congratulations. Education is an enabler of development in the country. And a lot of resources are now being spent in providing education in our country, because we still face serious challenges as things stand today. You know, for example, funding is a problem. You know, for example, that the university students' health is having challenges that need to be overcome, so that our students can be learning peacefully and harmoniously. But more importantly is to address what these students do when they leave the universities. Because as you know, we are churning into the market nearly 1 million people coming from different stages of education into the labor market. But then opportunities for employment is not expanding fast enough. The public sector cannot absorb most of the people coming from these institutions. That's why the private sector needs to be the direction that we need to expand. The private sector must be expanded so that it can be able to absorb many of our people who are coming from higher institutions of learning. This is a challenge that government faces, and also our own people faces. That people should not just be looking at the public sector for employment. Public sector in our country employs at most 800,000 people. And those positions are not vacant. Vacancies only occurs when people die or retire. It's just about 10%. That means about 80,000 vacancies. And that's why it's important for us to lay more emphasis in the private sector as a major provider of employment to our people. So I am very happy today to be here. I choose the time to come and be here to see Raila University receiving a charter. I have another challenge with the council, the commission, but that is something for another day. May I have now opportunity to invite His Excellency the President come and address you. Thank you.